Prepare yourself for financial success. XRP is currently experiencing a significant surge in value. Perhaps it will rise to levels between $1,650 and $2,900. By the end of 2024, this is more than just hyperbolic talk. It's based on an important development, the impending introduction of an XRP exchange-traded fund. The financial titan, who previously presented a profitable Bitcoin ETF, is now focusing its expertise on XRP. They have an incredible track record, with nearly every ETF proposal they have submitted receiving approval. The entry of BlackRock into XRP is revolutionary, but there's more. Not all of it is BlackRock. Creating stirs. Additionally, Grayscale is expanding its cryptocurrency portfolio to include XRP and proposing an XRP ETF. This shows how XRP and Ripple Labs are becoming more and more significant in the world of international transactions. Before delving deeper into today's topic, let us briefly discuss BAS. I'm asking for a tiny favor from you. Hit that like button now. Turn on that notification by subscribing. Click the bell to join our amazing group. Let's explore the fascinating world of XRP and see what's new lately. As the world leader in asset management, BlackRock has an almost flawless reputation for ETF approvals when analyzing the data in further detail. BlackRock's foray into Web 3.0 and cryptocurrencies marks a sea change in how the traditional finance sector views digital currency. The fact that BlackRock has an almost flawless record of approvals for ETFs is evidence of their unparalleled proficiency in navigating the financial market. It's important to keep in mind that this makes them an unstoppable force in the ETF space. Big financial players like JP Morgan and BlackRock haven't just been eyeing XRP, they've been actively accumulating it. According to leaked documents, these giants have invested more than 7.5% of their total wealth in XRP. A recent well-investigated piece even suggested that BlackRock may be switching its whole focus from Bitcoin to XRP, indicating a major change in its approach to investing. This action suggests that demand for XRP is rising, making the idea of a BlackRock-backed XRP ETF more likely than ever. However, things get much more interesting from here on out. A new development in the XRP saga. Its creator is still unknown, but its existence is a crucial step towards an ETF. Despite its launch, reports suggest the XRP ETP remains in the pre-release phase, with a value of 0. More rumors are also circulating. Rumors are circulating about the simultaneous release of an XRP ETF, coinciding with the debut of both the ETP and the ETF. This parallel release not only makes sense, but also highlights the quick progress toward the ETF, which could come just weeks after the launch of a Bitcoin ETF. When we consider Bitcoin's surge to $43,000 even before the launch of its ETF, the potential for XRP is enormous. We're talking about a potential explosion in the value of XRP, which could occur once its ETF hits the market, okay? Remember, the XRP ETP has already launched, so this situation isn't as absurd as it may seem. Unbeknownst to many, vale, a titan in the financial world, officially released the XRP exchange-traded product, paving the way directly to an XRP ETF in just a few weeks. This implies that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's approval for the launch of an XRP ETF, just a few weeks away, is rapidly approaching. We talked yesterday about a recent article that suggested an XRP ETF might be on the horizon based on a leaked report from none other than BlackRock. This leak suggested an upcoming ETF filing for XRP, and to add to the excitement, a top BlackRock analyst made a public statement confirming the launch of a BlackRock ETF specifically. They even mentioned the iShares XRP Trust in connection with an ETF filing that initially raised doubts about XRP. I checked this for myself, and sure enough, it's mentioned there. This game-changing development demonstrates how closely we are witnessing a seismic shift in XRP's market presence, possibly matching or surpassing the swings we've witnessed with Bitcoin's ETF. The Delaware List of Corporations website recent research has revealed a noteworthy development in the cryptocurrency world. BlackRock and JP Morgan have each acquired over 7.5 million XRP, demonstrating clear institutional involvement. BlackRock is leading the way in cryptocurrency. In addition to hoarding XRP, they are also utilizing the XRP ledger in their operations, and, most significantly, they are pushing for the public release of an XRP ETF. BlackRock's nearly flawless track record of approving ETFs increases the likelihood of the XRP ETF receiving approval. There is a very high level of green light. One cannot overestimate the impact of an XRP ETF on its value, which is why it has a target price of $983,000. They are all constructing their central bank digital currency on the XRP ledger, and the Republic of Palau is integrating the XRP ledger into their infrastructure. A lot of talk has been going around lately about how this circumstance presents a classic case of high volume, high demand, and limited supply, which logically points to a soaring value per XRP token. Is this how some people perceive my optimism? They may have a point when they argue that XRP is simply a pipe dream, but let me counter that. I really believe in embracing this optimism. I'm taking a deep breath, lighting it, and rolling it up into a giant one. That is pretty strong stuff. I firmly believe so. I firmly believe that hope can serve as a lifeline, especially during challenging times when you're struggling to hold on. If you don't believe in hope, it's all wishful thinking, which is perfectly acceptable, but I don't see that as a drawback. My motto is let's lift each other. Anything less seems like dropping tokens into a void, which is not what we're about because we're here to stay. Optimistic, and speaking of optimism, I'm enjoying all of your stimulating discussions and thought-provoking opinions. Your thoughts are truly stimulating. A thought-provoking idea brought up concerns for institutions and XRP. They don't always have to purchase it. Leasing is currently an option. It's quite intriguing, isn't it? I wondered what would happen if regular investors were the only ones purchasing XRP. I delved deeper into this topic and even reached out to GPT through chat. I inquired about the number of transactions the SWIFT system processes daily. The astounding response was more than $1 trillion. Keep in mind that this just includes international trade and does not account for the derivatives market, which is worth quadrillions, smart contracts, NFTs, or tokenized assets like real estate currently in circulation. Consider how XRP might be involved in each of these domains, but let's focus on a few. SWIFT only engages in international trade within the region. If we take that $7 trillion and cut it to less than half, that is where SWIFT operates. Let's imagine what could happen if XRP, yes, XRP and Ripple have actually raised the stakes, had 1,700 connections. If we were to manage only $3 trillion of it every day, the system would have to maintain $3 trillion inside of it. Given XRP's vast network, it is plausible to assume that some of these connections will invest in it. This scenario has the potential to increase the value of XRP to over $150 per token on that day. Please refer to our prior discussion for more information. Even in situations where organizations choose to rent instead of buy, values may rise above $150. Once the system is operational, values may climb above $150, particularly if XRP manages even half of this market and covers the entire range of bank transactions that we're discussing. Take your time, as each token has a value exceeding $100. Let this idea calm you down. Perhaps while sipping an adult beverage, consider the possibilities presented by this hopium vision. It's a fascinating world full of amazing opportunities, but keep in mind that I am not a certified financial advisor. Before making any financial decisions, I advise viewers to research and speak with experts. The content offered in these films is solely for amusement. Many thanks. If you liked the video, watch it. Please hit the subscribe button and remember to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to activate the notifications. You will receive notifications as soon as I upload new content. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.